And I'm taking you straight to the heart of India's national capital, Delhi, where a Supreme Court order on the shifting of thousands upon thousands of stray dogs has triggered loud protests by animal activists who are condemning the Supreme Court and stand for dogs. Let's go across live now to NDTV's Ishika, who's on the ground. Ishika, take us through what you're seeing right now. We can see the police moving away those protesters who've come there to protest against the Supreme Court order on stray dogs.
Well, yes, certainly very dramatic visuals that we are currently showing you, from the Connaught Place, where in fact the animal activists had gathered here to protest against the Supreme Court order. And in fact, the police deployment that we showed you was huge. And because of that, all of the protesters that had gathered here, that had raised slogans against the Supreme Court's directions, all of them have now been detained. So certainly here, we continue to show you that after Supreme Court's order, this, we have seen that continuously animal activists have come out in protest. And you can see here also, the protesters are now being detained. There are very few left, and all of them also now being detained here. Yesterday also we showed you that there was a protest at the India Gate, but at Supreme Court had very clearly mentioned that all of those who are now standing, against the Supreme Court's order, all of them, they will be penalized, and that is what has been done. Sir, आप भी यहीं पे आए थे स्ट्रे डॉग्स के?
नहीं मैम, मैंने इनसे क्वेश्चन पूछा, इन्होंने मुझे गाली देनी शुरू कर दी। फिर एक लेडी ने बोला सुप्रीम कोर्ट के लॉयर हूँ, उसने बदतमीजी शुरू करी। मैंने बोला मैडम आप लेडीज हैं, बदतमीजी मत करिए। ये कह रहे हैं इन्होंने मारपीट शुरू कर दी।
So in fact, you can see very dramatic visuals that we continuously, show you here at the Connaught Place. And yesterday itself, we had seen that the police had detained the protesters and then filed the cases. Today also, it's a very similar picture from the streets of the national capital. But certainly, the animal activists continue to, say that they will be continuing with this protest, every day, because they feel that whatever directions have been given by the Supreme Court, it's inhumane in nature. Over to you.
Ishika, the people who've arrived there to protest, who are they? Are they all from one group? Are they citizens groups who've just, been mobilized over social media, over WhatsApp? What is the plan right now, if they're being bundled away right now?
Well, Shiv, we have been able to talk to a few of those protesters who had gathered here, and they certainly say that, when this protests were planned, it was shared via the WhatsApp groups, different WhatsApp groups, and also on social media platforms like X, and that is how they came to know about it, and that is how they gathered here. So, we are continuously showing you the pictures also. This was the huge police deployment, because today what the animal activists had planned was to do a chakka jam here, and that is why the police had gathered here. But now all of them have now been detained, but the animal activists continue to say that they will be in fact, we have you also here. So what do you have to say? Because yesterday also cases were filed. Today also, animal activists have been detained. So will you be continuing with the protest?
We are going to continue with the protest. We are not stopping anywhere around, because whatever is happening is wrong. जो आवाज भी नहीं निकाल सकते, उनको दबाने के लिए इतने लोग हैं। तो हमारे पास तो आवाज है ना, हम उठा सकते हैं, हमारा हक है आवाज उठाना। But these people, look at the deployment. यहाँ हम आतंकवादी हो गए हैं। इतने बड़े दिल्ली has many more problems to do. Every day a girl has been harassed, raped. कोलकाता रेप केस को 1 साल हो गया. Nothing has happened, and these people, we are the voiceless. हम उनकी जान बचाने के लिए कर रहे हैं. This is what they do to us.
So what do you think is the ultimate solution?
I think that they need to follow the ABC rule which is already there. The Supreme Court has surpassed their rules itself. जब ABC rule बनाया गया है तो वो इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं हुआ। MCD की गलती, अगर वो इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं कर पा रही है तो ये जो बेजुबान है ये क्यों उनकी सजा भुगते? जब MCD अपने काम को ढंग से कर लेती तो आज ये दिन नहीं आया होता और ना हमें ये सफर करना पड़ता। अगर हम जानवरों के लिए रोड में है तो it is something very emotional thing. It's an emotional thing.
So as you heard, the protesters here, they continue to say, that all of them, who have been detained, they say that they will be coming back on the streets again because they say that the ABC rules that are already in place that, are not being implemented correctly by the civic bodies, and that is why now these animals, they are bearing the brunt of that. That is what these people have to say. But certainly now, Shiv, the challenge for the Delhi government and the civic bodies only intensifies because, the Supreme Court's order was quite stringent and it is certainly binding in nature. So remains to be seen how the coming days will pan out. Over to you.
It's an escalation.